Baile de favela, maconha, baile de favela, Rafael é baile de favela. Joga bunda, vai. Joga bunda, joga bunda, joga bunda, vai. Joga bunda, joga bunda, joga bunda, vai.
Nag-cover for them para makapractice din sila.
And of course, di ko na ito kalimtan ang ilang mga heads sa pagtugot sa ilahan na makapractice, no, makapag-beat ng performance nila para lang ipakatagan ng good show yan.
Even if it's just a 4 to 5 minutes presentation, ay, dera yun, taas ka ayo, Juno, ka ng pataas sa yung ginhawa.
Ganito, di ka ginhawa diyari. Okay, but, mag-break sa takadali.
Correct.
Okay, para na ito may patagan ito, ikatagan ba ito time sila makapumpic sa mga graduate?
While our judges and our DTI representative,
DTI joke, wow. Anyway, so,
are tabulating the scores. I will just reiterate the criteria. Aside sa it is time from 4 to 5 minutes, partner, our criteria for original creativity,
35%,
choreography and execution, contribution,
35%,
stage presence,
20%,
audience impact,
10%,
and then
a total of 100%.
Ang prizes na to. For our fifth placer, we have.
8,000 pesos,
For our fourth placer,
10,000 pesos,
for our third placer,
12,000 pesos,
for our second placer,
13,000 pesos,
and of course, ang atong winner or the first place will receive
15,000 pesos.
cash prize.
Alright.
Before we proceed for sa announcement and to give way pa rin for the tabulating of scores,
Okay, so let's now give the floor to our one of the main organizers of the same time. So, particularly, she'll be announcing the winners of at the bars competitions, particularly the ball games.
because we have the ball games pala,
May mga ball
partner.
games tayo. So, we have
What are those?
volleyball, basketball, and bowling.
Bowling,
Alright,
yes.
so with that, let's give the floor to Miss Goddess Jason.
A round of applause, please.
Nagulan na, Jun. Nagulan man, pero...
Okay, please. May mga shed po tayo. Occupy your shed,
Yes,
please.
isipin ko
Bawal
na.
makasakit. Judy Papumas.
So thank you very much, and we will be